In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem that the 3D Bitmoji is not available on Snapchat. So if you don't have the 3D Bitmoji, this is the video for you. I had this problem a few days ago, and in order to fix this, you first have to go to the Play Store or App Store. So if you have an Android device, go to the Play Store, otherwise go to the App Store. What you want to do then, you want to type in Snapchat over here and then search for Snapchat, then it comes up here, and if it's not available for you, most likely it's not updated. So you have to hit the update button. As you can see, I've already updated it, but there are two other ways to try and fix this. So if you haven't updated it, that's what you have to do first. So go ahead and update Snapchat. So if you've done that, you can go back to Snapchat and let's see if it works. So for me it does work. If it still does not work for you, what you can do, you can go to your home screen, just like this, then hold Snapchat, and then go to the eye, over here, then go to app permissions, and you want to make sure that you allow everything. So also allow call logs, this one, allow contacts, and allow phone. So make sure you allow everything for Snapchat. This can Snapchat can get in problem with the app if you are not allowing everything sometimes. So for me it still works, and I've denied 3 of them. But for me it works. But if it doesn't allow everything, restart your phone and try it again. And for some friends of mine, it did help. If that still didn't help, what you want to do, you want to go back to the Play Store App Store and uninstall the app. So completely uninstall it from your phone, log out, do everything, and then log in again. Then it is most likely to work. If it then still didn't work, then it's not available in your country. Snapchat can publish certain features in countries and not in every country. So maybe you live in a country where it's still not available. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.